big turtle.
It's a big turtle.
Big turtle.
Yeah. Ooh, look, they're letting them get the water. I have everything to make separated. Yeah, you want to go play in some water? Okay, we gotta put your water shoes on. You want to get your water shoes on? Let's go over to the bench and we'll put on some water shoes. So fun! Your grandma is going to play with you. Mom, thanks, Grandma.
All right, we ready to go in?
Daddy's ready.
In between the rocks, we're not going to feed those ones. Just like where you put that lid in your pocket, or hold it under the cup, either or. There's a big one. It's like such an experience.
Your head.
You feel that I have I just need to hold it.
There's a bird on your head.
You got it?
There's a bird on your head.
We're fighting. Adeline, don't spill your food. Don't spill your food. You want to come hold the cup by these birdies? You want to back up there? You can hold the cup. You hold the cup more. There we go. Yeah. You are holding it. No, we don't let them. We just hold the cups and let them. One bigger.
Look at these birdies. You see the bird, baby? He's not gonna bite you, I promise. Woo! Look at your elephant
What color is
key.
that?
Green and
Green key. Nice. You are ready. Yeah.
There you go. Now we have to keep our eyes open because we can use that key around the zoo to learn information about animals. Yeah, you got a key. Come on, let's go do some more sweating.
Bye-bye, birdies.
Bye-bye, birds.
Wow, all the koi fish.
See how there's an orange one like our orange fish? Aren't they so cute? Look how big. Oh, look, they think we're gonna feed them.
We don't have any num-nums for you.
They're all coming to us.
on your head.
I have a crown.
Here we go. Oh, here it goes.
I had a cow. And mommy.
Yeah, you wanna go in the cave?
I do.
Go explore. Go explore the cave. Exciting. Look at all these fossils. A flying cavefish. Wow. Oh, it smells great in here.
Look at these mushrooms, Adeline.
News 9. Listen up. A male lion's roar can be heard from up to 5 miles away.
That's so neat.
In addition to warning off intruders, the main man's roar helps round up stray members of the group called a pride. Prides average about 15 members but can range from 3 to 40. Females usually live with the same pride for life, but males often leave when they are only 2 years old. Lion populations in the wild have declined over 40% in the last 40 years because of illegal hunting, habitat loss, and loss of food sources. You can help lions by becoming a Zoo Friends member.
Yeah.
Half the zoo's conservation funding is generated from membership sales.
Yeah, it's like.
Okay, which one do you want to do? The wolf, the otter, the alligator, or the bear? Alligator and bear. All right, you want to put the money in? Here's 2 quarters. One at a time. Good job. Now we're going to push it in. There you go.
There you go. Good work.
Keep turning. Keep going.
All right, you can go get try to.
It's about to come out. You ready? It's gonna come out right here. Here, step back just a little bit. Here it comes.
There it is. Can you show me?
Alligator.
Oh, wow. Let's see. Super cool.
All right, here, hang on. Here's the next one. Here it comes. You ready?
There it is.
Too hot.
Ooh, it is hot. It's a bear.
Let's see our bear.
Too hot.
Okay, I'll cool it off. Spray her coins. Too hot? Yeah, they're hot. Okay, now it's better.
That's better. Mmm. Is that so yummy?
I've never done it before either. Isn't it so pretty right here?
You see all the flags?
The best part is to do this one. He put dirt on his back. And his silly nose. See his silly nose. Woo! Wormy nose. Cool, huh? That's a big trunk. Good job. Legs. Where's his feet? Yeah, good job. So big, huh? Look at his ear. Ears. Here's his eye. Where's your eye? Eyes. Good job.
Our zoo. We started way back in 1902 with a single donation of one white-tailed deer. Now I know that seems pretty strange because white-tailed deer aren't very common today, but at the turn of the century,
Yes,
those
white-tailed
deer
deer.
hunted nearly to extinction.
Science.
So a lot of people were really excited to get to come out and see one. Yay!
Yay.
After a few more years and a few more donations, our local papers officially started calling us the Wheeler Park Zoo. This was in 1904, and if you happen to know, alpaca are native to South America. Alpaca are relatives of the camel as well as the llama. The deer that you will find in this yard, we have a western tufted deer, getting its name from the thick, bristly tuft of fur between its ear wallabies. But if you'd like to take it, is a Grevy zebra. His name is Dewberry. We know he's a Grevy zebra because he has thinner stripes and a white underbelly.
Adeline.
Kind of making him look like he's outgrown his stripes, which is fitting because Grevy zebras are the largest of the zebra species, and unfortunately they are the most endangered. Now that big, beautiful bird that you see there is Kijani. She's a common ostrich, and she is flightless because ostriches can weigh up to 300 pounds, but Miss Kijani hasn't complained yet. But if they're coming into our zoo, we do want to get them accustomed to this wacky Oklahoma weather, as well as form a great bond with their new caretakers. We do get animals from all over the nation, as well as some red pandas and even a dragon. Yes, that's right, we have Komodo dragons in there. You can eat your lunch right next to a Komodo dragon, but I promise they won't steal your fries because there is a glass in the way. They're really bad about that, so we had to do something about it. Because Rex has a beautiful tongue, Condola doesn't. There's nothing wrong with Condola though. He's simply a subspecies of Asian articulated python and other full-blooded critters.